Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the Me Plus app, perfect for building productive routines and reaching your daily goals. Let's get started. First, download and open the Me Plus app from the Play Store or App Store. Then, it's smart daily planner that helps you track habits, routines, and goals. Then to create a task, you can create the task for your day. For example, I added a drink water for today. All you need to do is to add a new one and just tap the plus icon and type your task like workout, and then after that hit create. You can also keep adding more like read a book or sleep 8 hours and whatever you want. Then when the day comes, tap on the task once you completed it. If it's for tomorrow, you won't be able to mark it yet, but it will notify you when it's time. Then tap on the Discover tab to explore the pre-made routines like a morning rituals, school preparation, or productivity boosters. Just hit Add My Routine and it'll be added to your planner. And that's how simple and powerful the Me Plus app is. Use it in your daily to stay focused, build habits, and reach your goals. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell icon for more app tutorials. Thanks for watching.